What's up, y'all? So this is my very first set of Ray-Bans. It's my birthday, so figured I'd treat myself with a little bit of birthday gift money and buy these bad boys. This will allow me to bring even more content to the channel, so y'all know I'm happy about that. Wow, this unboxing is kind of like, the presentation is like Apple a little bit. That's really nice. I like how that unfolded like that. My first ever Ray-Ban case. I like how this lights up. Wow. Comes right out. I heard some complaints about it's hard to take them out, but they came out pretty easy for me. I got the size large because I heard the regular ones don't fit that well, and I'm about 6'2". I'm skinny, so I figure I'd rather have them too big than too little. They feel really nice. The build quality is very solid. I like the build quality. They're so light too. So the cameras are right here. I know they have some speakers around here somewhere so you can hear it. I'm gonna do some reviews on these. Obviously, it's a tech channel. We got to do some reviews on them. So far, first impressions, they feel good. They feel really good. I really like this case. I wonder how, let's see, putting them back in there. I heard people complaining about it. Yeah, they went in there pretty easy for me. They went in there pretty easy. I don't know. And taking them out, okay, it is a little hard to take them out, so I can see why people saying that. And you obviously get fingerprints on the lens, like I already got. Did they come with a charging port? I know it has an app for you to use. Let's see. Yo, it's funny too because the sunglasses that I'm wearing now are $1. I just wear them for work. That's it. So they only $1. So to go from those to these is like a huge difference. So I'm obviously gonna say the build quality is nice. I like this cloth. I wonder if I can use this to clean my MacBook. So they don't come with a charging cord. I hear the speakers, battery, something, they sound like 65%. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna do some videos on these. I'm gonna try them on, obviously, and I got footage coming. I'm out.